Good morning. Uh, Today we'll see Unit 4. The topic is Apache Hadoop. First, we'll see what is Apache Hadoop. It is a collection of open source software utilizes for distributed storage and processing of large data set using a network of computer. So this is the exact definition for Apache Hadoop, which utilizes the MapReduce programming model to process the data. The key features is originally designed for commodity hardware automatically handles the hardware failure. This is the major feature of Apache Hadoop. The core components of Apache Hadoop is Hadoop Distributed File System HDFS and MapReduce. Third one is Yarn. What is HDFS? Yes, the distributed storage system that splits file into large blocks and distributes them across the nodes. And it provides the a high aggregate bandwidth across the cluster. Then we have a second component of MapReduce. This MapReduce programming model used for processing large scale of data in parallel executes tasks across the distributed node, ensuring data locality for faster processing. This is the main work of MapReduce. And what is the use of Yarn in Apache Hadoop? Yet another resources negotiator manages computing resources. It manages the computing resources and schedule uses application across the cluster. This is the major work of Yarn. Then Hadoop Common. This component contains the libraries and utilities required for the uh, Apache Hadoop. Then Hadoop Ozone, introduced in 2020. This object stores the store design for Hadoop to handle the large dataset, which used only for large dataset. So these are the core component of Hadoop Apache Hadoop architecture, and each component and their responsibilities we have studied. Next, Hadoop ecosystem. We are having wide range of tools and modules that enhance the Hadoop ecosystem. For example, we have a Apache Pig, a platform for analyzing large data set, and we have a Apache Hive, a data warehouse infrastructure with the SQL query. Then Apache Spark, it is a in-memory processing for real-time data analytics, and a Apache HBase, it is a distributed, scalable, NoSQL database, and a Apache Zookeeper, it coordinates the distributed system, and Apache Flume and Scoop. This tool for data ingestion process and data integration. So these are the various Hadoop tools we are having in Hadoop ecosystem. And how Hadoop works? Yes, it works in two ways. One is distributed and parallel. Distributed storage, Hadoop splits data into blocks and distribute across the clusters. But in parallel processing, the MapReduce enables the processing close to where the data is stored, data locality. That is the major thing of MapReduce. And every task are processed simultaneously on different nodes, allowing for scalability. That is what the parallel processing. Now we'll see the various advantages of Hadoop. First one is scalability, easily scales for fewer servers to thousands of machines, each offering local computation and storage. Next one is fault tolerance, designed to handle the hardware failure. You know what is fault tolerance? Then cost effective. Already you know Hadoop is a cloud platform, so we can use only we can pay only when we are using. Then flexibility can process unstructured or structured data, and it supports for multiple programming language, Java, Python, any language it can support. Flexibility is also good. And there are various use cases in Hadoop ecosystem. First one is data storage and processing, handles petabytes of data efficiently across the distributed system. Then machine learning, large scale of data analysis and predictive modeling. Then ETL, extract, transform, load, data ingestion and data transformation for big data pipelining. Real-time analytics, it is a processing continuous stream of data for real-time decision making. These are the various use cases for Hadoop ecosystem. So that's all about the today's class. Just an introduction I have given for Hadoop, Apache Hadoop. What is Apache Hadoop and what are the key features of Apache Hadoop and what are the core components available in Apache Hadoop and various tools for Hadoop ecosystem and how the Hadoop ecosystem works. Two ways. One is distributed and is parallel and advantages of Hadoop. That's all. Thank you.